The mercantilist and physiocratic schools are often referred to as the precursors of classical economic thought. These two schools of thought contained the foundations of what would become economic science. The authors of these schools were not strictly speaking economists. They were philosophers or commercial practitioners, merchants or doctors, for example. However, the mercantilist and physiocratic schools are schools of economic thought, as they take economic factors into account in their reflections, such as wealth, satisfaction, scarcity, and trade. Mercantilism was a contemporary school of economic thought that came to prominence in the context of the 16th and 17th century commercial capitalism. The mercantilists examined the relationship between national wealth, economic growth, and foreign trade. This school assumed that the state's power depends on its reserves of precious metals, gold and silver. It advocated economic development by enriching the state through foreign trade. The state played an essential role in the mercantilist system by adopting protectionist policies to establish tariff barriers and encourage exports. We will mention 4 key mercantilist authors. Jean Bodin was a French jurist, economist, philosopher, and political theorist. He is considered to have introduced the concept of sovereignty and the quantity theory of money. His main work is the 6 books of the Republic. Antoine de Montchrestien was a French poet, playwright, and economist. He is known for having introduced the term and the concept of political economy in his key work, The Treatise of Political Economy. William Petty was, amongst other things, an English economist, philosopher, doctor, and scientist. He is known for his work, Political Arithmetic, which laid the foundations of political economy and demography by proposing the use of statistics for political management. Thomas Munn was an English businessman and economist. He is known for his work, England's Treasure by Foreign Trade, in which he set out the theory of the balance of trade, which is the difference in monetary terms between exports and imports of goods or of goods and services in an economy over a given period. Which of these physiocratic authors divided the nation into 3 main economic classes, the productive class, the proprietary class, and the sterile class?
Congratulations, that's the right answer. It was François Quesnay who proposed dividing the nation into the productive class, the proprietary class, and the sterile class.
Is the following statement true or false? In a mercantilist system, the state plays an essential role by adopting protectionist policies.
Great, that's the right answer. In a mercantilist system, the state plays an essential role by adopting protectionist policies to establish tariff barriers and encourage exports.